Another word of knowledge from God is that all measurements can be looked at as degrees because they originate from the 3.6-inch circumference circle where we get 360 degrees in a circle. So we can look at 1 as 1 degree or 100 degrees. Just like 0.5. If we were talking about money, how many pennies would that be? That would be 50 pennies. So we can call that 50 degrees. So whenever we look at the 30, 60, 90 right triangle here, we could say 86.60254,038 degrees on this circle that's created, plus 50 degrees on this circle that's created, will equal the placement of 100 degrees on your biggest circle. And the ultimate scale of the 30, 60, 90 right triangle is found in the 3.6-inch circumference circle. So we're going to look at that scale. Here's the ultimate scale of the 30, 60, 90 right triangle. And what's awesome is we can look at, can you see the 30, 60, 90 right triangle right here? It's created from these three heights inside the circle. So we can look at these measurements as just lengths of the triangle. We can look at them as inside circle heights of the circle, or we can look at them as circumferences of the circle, of each circle, or we can look at them as degrees. So it's the ultimate scale, and you can look at any triangle that way. But 180 degrees on this circle plus 311.76914,536 degrees on this circle will equal where 360 degrees is on this circle. So it's pairing with 180 degrees, true pi is, to equal 360 degrees. So whenever this circle or sphere rotates down to 60 degrees, it is stretched over the circle that is 180 degrees. So that means if we took the circumference of this circle and stretched it over the biggest circle, it'd get halfway around to 180 degrees. So when it's tilted down to 60, it's stretched over 180 degrees, and it's paired with 311.76914,536 degrees, which means if we took the circumference of this circle on the sphere, laid it over the biggest circle, it would reach all the way around to 311.76914,536 degrees.